pop the clips off there. It goes that way. Just remove the keyboard. CPU fan. Right there. Focus. What the hell? There we go. Alright, it's unscrewed. Focus, damn it. It should lift up like so. The air blowing out of here smelled like a hair dryer. So there's gotta be a little bit in here. I think this is a socket 370. It portrayed one of the manuals. Oh, damn it. Oh, crap. Alright, here we go. Oh crap, it is. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Wow, full-size CPU. And try to swap this out with my brother's Pentium 3 out of his Dell Optiplex GX150. Hopefully it'll work. Alright, I looked at the 1800 series manual. The screwdriver goes in here. It's always being total pussy and being really gentle with it when you have to give it some force. I hope that one's compatible. Alright, so I get that beautiful Pentium 3 sticker. It's opened up. Some of these later models had a, well, I gave him that, had a 2000 COA. Later models had XP COA. I showed him, he's like, that's not right. But it is right. And that's a pain in the ass to get out. Push that down. I get some modules out of the way. The fan comes with it. Okay, that says 256, 133. That says 128. So that's 133. That's 100. Wonder if it'll work though. Alright. Got some terrible news. One of the damn pins came off. What the hell?